Welcome back to our channel. Nicole Kidman is out here reminding us that career women can still set the screen on fire, even if it's with a 28-year-old intern who probably still uses TikTok for cooking tutorials. With a Golden Globe nod under her belt and Antonio Banderas playing the unsuspecting husband, Babygirl has enough drama, scandal, and awkward office moments to keep you entertained and slightly concerned for HR departments everywhere. So grab your snacks, clutch your pearls, and let's dive headfirst into everything you need to know before watching Babygirl, because trust me, you're not ready for Nicole Kidman's villain era. Let's get into it. After months of buzz, Babygirl is finally available to stream on Max. Following months of buzz, A24's erotic thriller, Babygirl, is finally available to stream. After debuting at the Venice Film Festival last year, the much-discussed film reportedly became one of the studio's top 10 highest-grossing movies ever and earned Nicole Kidman a Golden Globe nomination for her leading role. Grab your popcorn and perhaps a glass of milk and read on for everything you need to know to catch the steamy flick at home. Where can I watch Babygirl? As of April 25th, Babygirl is now available to stream on Max. New members can add the HBO-owned service onto any Amazon Prime account for just $9.99 a month. Additionally, since HBO is airing the movie live on April 26th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, you can also catch it via a live streaming service with Max add-ons, like Fubo or Hulu Plus Live TV. In addition to streamers, it's also available on Prime Video to rent or buy for $5.99 or $19.99, respectively. What is Babygirl about? Written and directed by Halina Reijn, Babygirl follows a high-powered tech company CEO Romy, Nicole Kidman, as she embarks on a risky extramarital affair with her company's 28-year-old intern Samuel. Hannah Dickinson. A lot of times, women are discarded at a certain period of their career as a sexual being. So it was really beautiful to be seen in this way, Kidman said in a cover story with The Hollywood Reporter last year, while discussing the film's many steamy scenes. Who is in the cast of Babygirl? Babygirl stars Antonio Banderas as Romy's husband, Sophie Wilde as Esme, and Esther McGregor and Vaughan Reilly as Isabel and Nora, in addition to Kidman and Dickinson as the film's main characters. Dickinson raved about co-starring with Kidman in a Variety interview last year, calling her the most comforting, warm performer to work across from. She sets the tone on set, and she makes it so easy to be vulnerable and to be funny because she is so daring, he added. This article was written by Hannah Southwick, commerce writer/reporter for Page 6 Style. Hannah spies deals on actually affordable celebrity-worn styles, puts Hollywood's favorite labels to the test, and finds the beauty products that keep stars red carpet ready. She consults stylists and industry pros, including celebs themselves, for first-hand product recommendations, trend predictions, and more. In addition to writing for Since 2020, her work has been featured in USA Today and Parade, and there you have it, everything you need to know about Babygirl, one of A24's hottest releases yet. From its buzzy debut at the Venice Film Festival to Nicole Kidman's stunning Golden Globe-nominated performance, Babygirl has definitely lived up to the hype. Now that it's officially available to stream on Max and to rent or buy on Prime Video, there's never been a better time to dive into this steamy, provocative thriller. Whether you're tuning in through Max, catching it live on HBO, or grabbing it through your favorite streaming service, you won't want to miss this unforgettable story of power, passion, and risky romance. Letting me know your thoughts on Babygirl. Did it live up to your expectations? How did you feel about Nicole Kidman's performance? I'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more movie breakdowns. Thanks for watching.